Dude, this deal just keeps getting more and more fun. Yesterday, it was fun enough hacking this thing and welding it together, but the actual driving it was so hilarious. The thing is, I wanted to share. So I brought in my friend Leah, who is a top fuel driver. You've seen her, she races for Don Schumacher Racing. She was at Woodward Dream Cruise doing burnouts in the top fuel car on Woodward. I wanted to surprise her. I didn't tell her anything that we were doing with this.
Your expectations are super high.
I think when we put her in the wheel of these things, it's all gonna come together. And I'm gonna force her to cut the Montero in half. So this is a junkyard, but these guys are hot rodders. This family's had this place since '59, so they have a lot of cool stuff.
Oh, wow.
None of which you get to drive.
None of it? No.
The nice Chevelle is not it.
Not it, okay. I feel like we're playing tag.
Old truck, not so much it. No, it is in fact, instead, the Honda Passport.
Oh, okay, we're tag teaming it. What? Oh, okay, wow. The frame support is top notch.
These are both four-wheel drive.
Both four-wheel drive.
Okay, well now what does that make it? Six-wheel
Well,
drive.
it's six-wheel drive
Okay.
now. But as soon as you cut this one in half,
Sure.
We're going to chop the back of that off, so it'll just be.
Front and rear wheel drive, as
It's a
it
clown car.
actually was at one point in time.
except two people each have gas, steering, and brake. So think about
So you
it.
don't know where you're going.
You don't know where you're going. So this person up here turns one way, you turn the other. Both people steer, the thing's gonna crab sideways.
Oh my
Steer
goodness.
opposite directions, it's gonna do tiny, tiny donuts.
Whose idea was this?
Oh, definitely him.
Okay, taking credit.
See the drawing? That's where it all came from, right there.
I remember kindergarten. In typical fashion, I had zero expectations. And then I come into this garage and we have two vehicles mating with each other. But this is probably one of my favorite tools. I can't wait to cut it up. And I've been here for probably 4 minutes. So we should probably get to work.
See how fun? Welcome to Roadkill. I brought her in for vacation day,
Well,
so you don't even need training.
perfect. Look at that, straight as a drag strip.
We can go home.
My mom is gonna be so proud. Hey,
Hey,
hey.
we could do this all day.
Okay, now you can help.
Okay.
There, I did something.
I just came here for the ride, you know what I mean? I want to be sitting on here when this thing drops. But unfortunately, they're probably gonna make me do all that work.
I feel like we're still attached.
To what?
I don't know.
I think it's attached to the vehicle.
Yeah.
This side's broke completely in half. Is that part of the frame rail actually not cut all the way through? Is that our problem?
Oh, look at her.
I really think it's just bitterness holding it together.
It looks like it should be that brake line.
Okay,
That's right above.
nobody's under the car, right?
Nope.
No. Got it. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll get you some.
Oh, you're naughty. You like it.
We
Yeah.
have separation.
Freedom.
Oh no. It's dragging on the ground.
It's fully dragging on the ground.
We now have a lowrider.
Yeah.
Oh.
So our problem now is that all of the weight is on the front. This overhang is making the whole thing drag.
She's a little lower than we anticipated her being. It's ass dragger, actually. So what I'm thinking is, giant ratchet strap, hooked to the frame rail here, up over the roof, across the gas tank, over the voided Passport, hooked to that frame rail, ratchet this up. Problem is, if it's just gonna cave in our newly modified roof. So I'm gonna make some supports right here. What do you think, crooked?
Perfectly.
This may be the difference between dragging the fuel tank on the ground and barbecuing Leah and David in a flaming ball of fury here on Roadkill.
Oh yeah, that
Oh, Casper.
You see the science?
worked. Boom.
That's a nice little hump.
There are no reasons why we shouldn't be driving this right now.
It's all win right now.
Nothing left.
Okay.
No idea how big of a win that is.